welcome back to the channel. Today it's just me, my sketchbook, and nature. I found this nice, quiet spot with big trees, green plants, and soft grass all around. The sound of the wind in the trees and the sunlight coming through the leaves makes everything feel calm and peaceful. I love sitting in places like this where everything slows down and I can focus on the small things. The rough tree bark, the shape of the leaves, and how the wind moves them. Sketching here feels so relaxing, like I am connecting with the nature in a simple, peaceful way. Thanks for hanging out with me in this quiet place. I hope it inspires you to find your own little peace spot in nature. See you in the next video. Ta-da!